kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to part 4 of this video series on Android app development. And in this short video, we are going to write the code that we missed in the previous part. I mean the part 3 of the video series. So first of all, we had to add the user permissions for the access find location and the access course location. Alright, so we will add the permission inside our main activity, and after that we are going to use the on resume and on pause the method we have to override. So I think let us do that first of all. So here we can say on pause and we have on resume. Alright, so inside our on pause method we have to pause the map view. So here we can simply say map view dot on pause, and similarly for the on resume we can say map view dot on resume. Alright, so that those were the two codes, and now we have to add the user permission, and I mean we have to request for the user permission if the user has not generated or authorized the permission. So for that, let me go to our main activity. Also we forgot to add the intent here, so here we can say value intent equal to intent this at main activity. Then we have to use simple location class dot java, and similarly we just have to use start activity, and inside that we have to pass on the intent here. Alright, so after that let me just write the code for in order to request the user permission. So here we can say request for permissions. Alright, here now we can create a function private fun request for permissions. So first of all we can use, or we can have the permissions here. So we can say array of, and inside that we can say manifest dot permission manifest dot permission dot access find location, and we have the manifest dot permission dot access course location. Okay, so we have this permissions variable, and now we can check if the permission is granted or not. Alright, so here we can check if activity compact dot check self permission, and inside that we can pass this, and we can say permissions of index 0, and we can say is not equal to package manager dot permission granted, and we can say or activity compact dot check self permission this, and here we can pass on permissions of index 1 is not equal to package manager dot permission granted. Alright, and let me just import the activity compact class, and here we can now request for the user permissions. So we can say activity compact dot request permissions, and inside that we can pass on this current context, and then we can pass permissions, and finally we can provide a request code, so that will be 100. Alright, So after that we have to override a function that is the on request permission result. So we can say on request permission result, and inside that the method, let me just change the syntax here. Alright, so here inside that we can check if request code is equal to 100, then we can check here now if grant results dot size is greater than 0 and grant results of index 0, if it is equal to package manager dot permission granted, if the both are, if the size of the grant result is greater than 0 and the grant size of 0 is permission granted, so it means that the permission has been granted. So we can toss the message to the user that permissions granted alright, and instead if the permissions are not granted, so we can just also display the message. So we will just copy it and paste it here. Alright, so guys, that was it for now. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.